Labour MP John Ashworth has admitted the government will meet its target of vaccinating 13.9 meters of the most vulnerable people by mid-February. Labour's Shadow Health Secretary John Ashworth has begrudgingly admitted that Boris Johnson will be successful in getting out 15 million vaccines by March. He squirmed when host Fiona Bruce asked if he thought the government is doing well. The Labour MP went on to call for the target to be doubled and to complete the whole first round of the vaccination programme. Speaking on BBC Question Time, Mr. Ashworth said, "I think the government will meet this target. Everyone I've spoken to who understands what's happening with vaccination seems to think they will meet this target." He continued, "I think the government needs to go faster and further. There is no question that everyone who's been involved in the distribution of the vaccine in the last couple of weeks, our GP, our NHS staff, those who have been working on the logistics, we always forget about the people who work on logistics. Let's thank them as well. And I think the task force that has made the choices of which vaccines to purchase, yes, have done a good job. So I think they will meet that target, but they need to go further and faster. Because if we were able to vaccinate just under 30 million people, we would reduce hospitalizations and deaths by 99%, and we should be targeting that now." Turning to Tory MP Vicky Ford, Ms. Bruce added, "There you are. You don't often hear the opposition say it's gone well, so you may want to bank that one despite the other criticisms." Mr. Ashworth interjected, "I'm being constructive so far. More than 3 million vaccines have been administered." Health Secretary Matt Hancock confirmed on Thursday, Boris Johnson has said the NHS will launch a round-the-clock vaccination service as soon as possible. The Prime Minister said the process of protecting people from coronavirus was already going exceptionally fast, but at the moment the limit is on supply of the vaccine. "We will be going to 24/7 as soon as we can," he told MPs. Mr. Hancock will set out further details in due course, Mr. Johnson said. At Prime Minister's questions, Mr. Johnson said, "At the moment the limit is on supply. We have a huge network, 233 hospitals, 1,000 GP surgeries, 200 pharmacies and 50 mass vaccination centers, and they are going exceptionally fast." Labour leader Sir Keir Starmer said he understood that pilot 24-hour centers were not yet open to the public, but there would be a huge clamour. Mr. Hancock earlier questioned whether there would be demand for a round-the-clock vaccination operation. He said the NHS was absolutely up for doing that, but most people want to get vaccinated in the daytime. And also most people who are doing the vaccinations want to give them in the daytime. But there may be circumstances in which that would help.